morning, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Today is Friday, May 10, 2024. Live here in Mandaue City. I'm Jewel Ametisa Arabisha, your weather reporter from MCCS News. Now let's see what the weather is like today. In the next 24 hours, expect mostly sunny in daylight and partly cloudy in the night across the country. Shear line affecting the eastern section of northern and central Luzon. Eastern is affecting the rest of the country. For today's heat index forecast, the Cebu province is expecting to go up 35 degrees Celsius with air temperature 32 degrees Celsius and the humidity of 62%. According to Pag-asa, heat index or human discomfort index. It's the temperature that humans perceive. So we need to be extra careful to avoid heat stroke. Drink water often and bring an umbrella when going out. For the 3-day weather forecast, May 11, May 12, and May 13. The highest temperature is 36 degrees Celsius and minimal temperature of 27 degrees Celsius with isolated rain shower. The sunrise at 5:24 a.m. and the sunset at 5:58 p.m. Again, this is Jewel Ametisa Arabisha. Stay safe and have a great day.